Hey everybody, it's Chef Mark Estee. Welcome to the ZLINE Kitchen. I'm fired up to bring you a dish today, oven-baked salmon. And we're gonna do it Nantucket style. Now, I'm from Boston, if you couldn't tell. I love living here in Reno. I love going all over the country, cooking and having a lot of fun. But this dish brings me back to when I first was in culinary school, and I worked at a really cool restaurant in Providence, Rhode Island called Pot au Feu. And I worked downstairs in the bistro, and they used to make up these great dishes, and every dish was really meant for simplicity because you were the only cook in the kitchen cooking for a 60-seat restaurant. So that was my indoctrination to being a chef, and I absolutely loved it. So this is a really simple dish, and we're gonna be using our oven today, okay? So I have my oven on a 450 degrees convection bake, and it's already preheating right now as we speak, okay? So oven is cranked up. I have my salmon right here, okay? I took the skin off the salmon, and we're gonna be baking this in the oven, okay? Again, one dish that we can get right in. So for this here, we're gonna go a little salt, okay? And we use kosher salt when we do our preparation. We always use kosher salt unless we call out something like a sea salt, a finishing salt for some, finishing the dish. I'm gonna go a little fresh cracked pepper, okay? Now this dish is gonna be baked, so I am gonna actually flip it over because I really wanna make sure I get all my seasoning on here. I'm gonna season again, kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, and then I'm gonna flip it back over, okay? And I'm gonna make the sauce right here. I mean, I don't think this can be any simpler for you, and I'm not sure if this was invented in Nantucket or not, but that's what I learned, and that's what we call it, okay? So I have some sour cream, all right? I have a little bit of mayonnaise, okay? And then for me, I add a little bit of horseradish, okay? So sour cream, mayonnaise, and horseradish, you think we're having prime rib, right? Well, let's really go there. Let's add some chopped bacon, all right? All this mixed together. I know, sounds crazy, right? I just want to kind of eat it as it is. But what I'm going to do is take this nice sauce, and I'm going to place this nicely on top of the salmon, okay? So now, I don't cover it too much because this will melt out a little bit, all right? I got some bacon chunks in each one. I'm going to place this over the top of the salmon, all right? So that's going to be the salmon. And then for a little garnish, in this case here, I just have some mushrooms. These are some of the cultivated mushrooms that we have, all right? You could be any type of mushroom you like. I like them just for a color, all right? And they'll go really well with the bacon, sour cream, you know, that kind of playing on that meat side of things. All right, I'm gonna take this here. I'm just gonna place them along the side. I'm gonna hit them a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. Now, I'm not gonna put any oil in there because I'm gonna bank on the fact that the runoff from this baking and the salmon itself will just kind of keep them a little bit crispy. It's gonna add a little bit of moisture to them, so I don't need to add any extra oil or butter at that point. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna go for about a good 18 to 22 minutes. And this should be a really easy one-step dish. And I'm excited to try this salmon, wild salmon Nantucket. The wild salmon Nantucket, all right? Really simple. Let's put that in the oven. All right, let's check out this Nantucket salmon. Oven-baked salmon in the oven. Surprise, okay? So I had my temperature up here, about 450 degrees. I'm on convection bake. In about 18 minutes, I'm pulling this bad boy out. This Nantucket salmon, look at it. Beautiful, beautiful coating of the sauce on here. Adds moisture, adds flavor, adds a simplicity to it. And the mushrooms, check them out. I really enjoy, by not adding any moisture to the mushrooms, they kind of dry up and get crispy on their own to a certain degree. So now I have this really nice kind of dish getting ready to plate up here. All right, I have this really nice looking black plate to kind of show this off. I'm gonna place the salmon on here. Again, I seasoned it really well before we put it in the oven. I'm gonna place this right in the center of the plate, okay? You get those little smells going on right here. Let's check these mushrooms out. All right, these are the little mushrooms we have going on. I'm just gonna kind of place them right off, falling off to the side, okay? Okay. So then to kind of add a little bit of texture, a little bit of color, you want a little green on here, I have some pea shoots. These just picked up, you can pick these up really anywhere, Whole Foods or any of your groceries, right? I like a little bit of the shoots on there. You know, I bring tweezers, but I'm not really a tweezer guy. These are my version of tweezers right here, okay? But I'll do it just for my friends out there who love tweezers, right? A little bit of shoots on, okay? Just a really nice, simple dish. Nantucket salmon. Okay, we have the horseradish, we have the bacon, we have the mushrooms, and then really the center of the plate is the salmon that's baked in the oven. Okay, baked salmon in the oven is the greatest thing you can possibly do. It's simple, it brings out the salmon. With the ZLINE, you can't go wrong. I'm telling you, you wish you were here to eat this dish.